All right, guys, welcome back to NQIS. Steve. The other day I did a video on the OSD that is made to piggyback on the back of a HS1177 or camera very similar to. So the idea is that it just simply mounts to the back of your camera, and you would, like I did in my case, need to take in the video signal from your camera, send out the video signal to your VTX. So all I am doing is taking in the signal direct out of the back of the camera here, as there's the camera pins. So I'm going direct from the camera in a video out to the VTX. And then to communicate with this board is go from TX to RX and RX to TX. So that is on there, you are going to have an RX. I'm doing this upside down, guys. Okay, so you're going to have TX RX going to RX TX on your flight controller, and then you're going to feed it 5 volts. And that is it. All right, let's quickly jump into the CLI of Betaflight, and I'll show you what goes on there. Okay, so here we go with the serial pass-through. What we do is we bring up good old Betaflight. I'll connect the quad. Quad is connected. Let's connect. Alright, so connecting up. I'm in configurator 1.8.9. And once we're connected there, we're going to quickly jump into the CLI. It's taking its time to come up. That's because I'm screen recording, guys, so just bear with it. Here we're going to jump into the CLI. Okay, so I'm going to type into the CLI serial pass through space to the UART3. Sounds weird, but I know it's right. UART2 would be serial pass through 1. UART1 would be serial pass through 0. So UART3 is serial pass through 2, and we wanted to speak to each other at 115,200. Okay, and we go enter. And up here it said to us, relaying data to device on port 0, reset your board to exit serial pass through mode. Okay, so now we're not going to reset our board, we're on that serial pass through. If you do this more than twice or 3 times or 4 times, it doesn't matter, it just says the same thing to you. Okay, so now we're going to disconnect from there. Okay, we've disconnected, let's just minus that. Okay, so we're now on COM7. It's not opening another one, is it? Because I clicked it twice. No. Okay, so COM7, and we are connected. And as you can see, I only got my horizon there. As I swap from horizon to angle, it'll tell me. And I have my call sign, NQIS, which is flashing up in front of me there, Steve. And I have my battery voltage. Okay, so I've already gone through and changed mine. This is, you guys know what this is, and that's how easy it was. When are some of the camera manufacturers going to just do that? When are they just going to slip that little board inside their shell? Out comes your signal with an OSD on it, already on there. These are cameras for flight, aren't they? Like, they've stolen all the guts and technology of the security camera, whacked it into a little plastic container and said, there you go, boys, it's a FPV camera. Well, no, it's not. It's a security camera. We don't have a heads-up display in front of us. It's not a FPV camera. We have to add something. Now, if they can manufacture that extra board and you can purchase it and have it delivered to your house for $9, why can't you just add that $8 onto the price of the camera? Stick it in the camera and buy a camera with an OSD or not with an OSD. Anyway, guys, let's hassle everybody online about just doing that. And then we can stop doing what we're doing. You don't put OSDs on top of the power source. You put OSDs in a camera. All right, guys, please subscribe, like, all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you on the next exciting episode. See ya.